Hello everyone, now let me introduce our JX45 backhoe loader. This one is also with a 4-in-1 bucket, and also you can choose a standard bucket or 6-in-1 bucket if you want. This one here, the cylinder, this is for controlling the bucket. There are 2 cylinders. And the big one is for controlling the arm, the boom. The tires, you can see this model, they have 2 different size tires. The front tires are smaller and the back tires are bigger. The front tires is 14-17.5 tires. And the back side is 19.5 L-24. Tubeless tire is much bigger. Here is the hydraulic oil tank, and the other side you can see the diesel oil tank, and the battery is in here. You can easily open. Oops. This one is with H-leg. H-leg is with a side shift function. The cylinder here is for controlling the side shift, move from left or to the other side. And here the cylinder is controlling the swing boom, swing. And also you can choose a leg if you like. And this is the digging arm. Here is the auxiliary pipeline for the hammer and auger is also standard. And this is the standard digging bucket. You can choose different size buckets or hammer, breaker, auger, etc. Okay, now let's go inside the cabin. I sit inside the cabin. It's a very comfortable seat. Oh, there's a sky window. It's very good, especially in the summer. You can make the window open. And here's the back camera, and the radio, and the heating or air conditioning is optional, you can choose. This is the display. You can see the display. This is the oil pressure and the working hours, air pressure, and the water temperature, oil temperature, the voltage, and another oil pressure. This is the switch for controlling the lights, the turning lights, and the headlights, cab lights, etc. And ignition key. You can start the engine, use this. The float function is also standard. And these 2 levers are for controlling the low speed and high speed, and the forward, reverse, forward, neutral, reverse, like this. And this is the brake pedal, a gas pedal. And this is the hydraulic joystick. You can feel it's very light. It's for controlling the front bucket. And this is to control the air conditioning and the fan on and off. So now let me show you how to control the seat. Here, there's a handle here. You can move front and back. And there's a handle here. You can change the softness of the seat. And this to change the back seat in different position. And there's a handle here. When you lift it, you can turn around to face the other direction for the digging part. Okay, now you can see there are 2 joysticks here. And this one to the left and the right is to control the swing boom. And to front, and the back is to control the digging arm, the small arm. This one is for controlling the big arm at the boom and the bucket rotation. These two are for controlling the legs, H leg or A leg. This one is for controlling the hydraulic side shift. This is for controlling the hammer and auger the attachment.